Okay, let's look at our function again. Okay, so here we can use a script. We already saw how to call the function in the command line. Also we can use a script file to call this function, get the user input and call this function and pass them to it and get the print results and print them. Okay, so let's write a script function to do that task. Okay, here I need a new file, so I can use this, so I can use this plus to get the new file. So let me write the script function. Okay, so this is the script function. Here I use a input state optional comment, and then this input statement give the input message and get the circumference of the radius, so radius of the circle, and pass it to the function and get the output and store them in these two variables. Now then give a printf message saying printing the radius of the circle, also the area and the circumference. Okay, so to run this function we have to save it. Okay, so let's first save it. And say see, you can give any name, something goes with this. And now I can run this one using here run command. It's run. Okay, and it asks me for a radius, let's say 4. Enter. Okay, circle with the radius for a circle, the area is this and circumference is this. Okay, also I should mention one thing. Normally to do this type of stuff is better practice to write 2 functions instead of 1. Okay, one to calculate area and one to calculate circumference, but there can be situations where you require to use rare situations where we need where one function should return more than one value. Better situation should have been better. Okay, examples, let's look at a function. It takes the seconds and return the number of hours in that seconds, number of minutes and the remaining seconds. So it will take the total time in seconds and divide it into hours, minutes and remaining second and return all 3. Okay, so to write that type of function I have to return 3 values. No, so let's look at an example function like that. Now this is the function. Okay, here I name the function break time, it's because it's break into paces. So here is the optional comment describing what the function do. Okay, and how to call the function. You call it same break time total seconds. Okay, so what I do, I use floor division and divide by 2600. No, okay, and remainder of this division will be remaining second after I second by the remainder of the the remaining seconds again, remaining, stop, gives me second. All these three are outputs. Here you can see given was output in the function header. So this is the function. screen. Before calling this function, before calling the function, I have to save it, no? So I save it. I have to use the same name as break time, no? So I use the same name as function here. Function name is break time. So the same name of the script file, break time. Now function file break. Now this is not a script, so I cannot run it using this one. Okay, so I do break time and I have to pass in the number of seconds. Okay, let's pass in 24,000 seconds. Let's see how many hours. Okay, here if I do like this, it will only give one answer. Okay, it will lose, see, okay, it will lose the others. Okay, so I have to use it like this. Let's say hours, seconds, minutes and seconds. Okay, break time 2400 1000, no, sorry, 1000. So 6 hours 40 minutes and 0 seconds. Okay, exactly it goes to 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay.